Hi everyone, my name is Pinal Dave and welcome to my course Combining and Filtering Data with MariaDB. I am a SQL performance expert at SQLauthority.com. MariaDB is the world's most widely used free and open source database. This course gives you a comprehensive view of major components of combining and filtering data with MariaDB. And this course requires no prior experience with MariaDB. Some of the major topics that we will cover includes aggregating results with group by, manipulating string and numeric column fills, using common table expressions for efficiency, combining data from two or more tables using joins, limiting results with windowing function, combining result set of multiple select with union. And finally, we will summarize all this in summary module. Many of the module contains additional learning resources to strengthen your further learnings. By the end of this course, you will have a solid foundation to get started with combining and filtering data with relational database MariaDB. I hope you will join me on this journey to learn MariaDB with the Combining and Filtering Data with MariaDB course at Pluralsight.